How to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Is stolen device protection enabled on your iPhone, and you want to turn it off? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable it step by step. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode when asked. Step 3. Find Stolen Device Protection. Now scroll down until you find Stolen Device Protection. Tap on it. Step 4. Turn it off. You'll see the Stolen Device Protection switch. Tap the switch to turn it off. Step 5. Security Delay. If your iPhone is away from a familiar location, Apple may require a security delay before you can turn this feature off. Tap Start Security Delay and follow the instructions on screen. After the required delay, return to this setting and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID to complete the process. And that's it. Stolen Device Protection is now turned off. Remember, this feature helps protect your iPhone and Apple account if your device is stolen, so consider keeping it enabled whenever possible. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more iPhone tips.